Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to filter all direct messages on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First, click on your profile, and now here click privacy and safety. And here, as you see, you will find explicit image filter. And now click filter all direct messages. And that's it. That's how to filter all direct messages on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.